my name is Camille. Thank you so much for taking time out your day to stop by my channel and to watch this video. This will be a brief combination that I'll walk you through. It's a plie combination, a modern technique based plie combination. So instead of like in ballet, when we're at the bar and we're working on a nice, beautiful, lifted torso, we're going to keep that same alignment and strengthen the body, but then we're going to manipulate the torso to move on and off center to really give us balance, work on our balance, work on the control, and increasing the range of motion in our torso and therefore through our body, through our limbs. So if you like this video and more like this, please subscribe to my channel, send me a message, like, comment, share, and let me know different videos you'd like to see, different styles, different breakdowns. I'm here to serve, so I hope that you enjoy. Okay, so make sure you're a little bit warm before we jump into this. Don't just jump into it cold, okay? It's a plie combination, but it's active. So we're going to start from first position, as you know it, externally rotated first position. We're in a 4-4 measure, so it's nice and even. We're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? All right, here we go. Starting with demi-plie. We demi-plie with a neutral spine. 1, 2, stretch, 3, 4. Demi-plie with a double bounce contraction. 5, 6, open, 7, and 8. Good. So that comes with the bounce. We're not dropping into our knees, but we're opening the knees apart and then open them a little bit wider before we squeeze and lift, pulling everything back to center. We're lifting up and over the top of our rib cage as if you have like a bar. You're leaning over a bar right there and really finding this nice pouring over shoulders and head leads and drops. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, lift. 5, 6, 7. Second part, contract. Full upper body contraction, arms come to first. Really gather the space. 1, 2, stretch, 3, 4, spiral. Release to the right. 5, open, 6 with a high V, 7, and 8. Show it from the side view. Second set, contract. Tailbone and crown of the head contracting forward. 1, 2, open, 3, 4, spiral release over the right side. 5, lift, 6, press 7 and 8. From here, grand plie, keep it going. Reverse your port bra. 1. Now we're going into the back space. 2, rounding everything over, pass through center. 3, demi-plie, lift 4. Good. Keep growing the arms releve. 5, lift 6, and I'm just reaching my arms up parallel. Then as if someone cut the string from the top, release. 7 and 8. Okay? All right, one more time, the grand plie. So we come up nice and lifted. Reverse our port de bras, come right back. 1, demi-plie. 2, grand plie. 3, contract and demi. 4, keep rowing. 5 with the arms, demi-point. 6, find the top of your releve. Arms are reaching up, drop. Everything releases. 7, roll up. 8. So nice and juicy with the spine. Okay, so we're going to do this in first to the right. Then we're going to do the whole thing first to the left, spiraling to the left. Ba, ba, ba. And then we're going to step to second right away. Do the whole thing in second. In second position, really use the space of the legs to get deep into the grand plie, deep into like the full expression of your legs, knees wide, tailbone dropped, okay? All right, we're going to put the music on. We'll mark the first time, and then we'll do it together. Here we go. Make sure you smile. This is a mark.